Should we give him a test sample from outside the garage?
Yeah.
Because it's so loud? Let's do it.
Okay.
That is nuts.
Listen how clear it is. Hey guys, welcome back. We're here for another sneak peek. Actually out here in the garage. Haven't seen Bandit in like a few days. I've been working a lot. Anyways, Mr. RNG has been busy. Look how beautiful all this wiring looks. Looks really good. So, to get this, he did 2 screws in here, put the wires through here, made it look all nice, and it went up here to his control box. Then it connects to the fuse box here. And if you want one of those cool things, go to www.rngperformance.net to get one of those. But that took a lot of time, a lot of patience to do that. Mr. RNG did an awesome job. It looks beautiful, beautiful. So this fuse box right here is going to go to this display to make it easy to access anything that I need. So basically my lights, I don't know if it'll connect to my stereo. I don't know any of that, but it's real nice. I know it's bright too, and it's pretty cool. I know he has it on his other side-by-side in that, and on the 4-wheeler too, but it's really nice. Makes wiring a breeze, definitely. I officially today got to hear my stereo. I literally heard it like on video, but not firsthand. But I tell you what, it is awesome. Completely awesome. So crystal clear, it's not even funny. Not even funny. He went above and beyond. He did an awesome job. I don't think you'll find another one like this at all. And it looks so nice in there. He got good, he found the good sized tweeters to actually fit in the little holes. He did an awesome job. I absolutely love it. This is where our amps went down here. And look how nice it looks. He got it all wired up and there's our loom that we had. Has it all wired up. It's beautiful. Looks so nice in there, so nice and neat. We had to install another battery for this whole system here. So it is down here. And they wired it to over here. To right here. They wired this into a breaker relay, and they're gonna put another one on the other side as well. It looks so nice. You guys already got a sneak peek, but they got the bumper, and they also got the
Headache rack.
A headache rack. And they look amazing. I never seen them in person, but the pictures are so really cool. It's all custom, and it's nothing that you're gonna find anywhere else. It's built, not bought. It's gonna be a one-of-a-kind build, all custom. You'll never find another one like it.
So, honey, what did you think when you came out here and you seen Bandit all ripped apart?
He looks naked.
He does look naked.
And he looks like he's like undergoing some kind of surgery with all the wires and everything.
Yeah.
He's going through some stuff here.
I thought about putting a rock light here. I know the radiator heat won't like that. But I thought about it just to see how long it will last.
Yeah.
Might shock me. Might last a lot longer than I think.
Maybe. I don't know. We're at the back end here. As you can see, the bed is not here. It's over there. It has lots of goodies and lots of just extra stuff that's in there right now. But what we're planning on is putting rock lights in the bed. And also my LED whips are going to be installed on there. And also, if you would like to get LED whips, also at rngperformance.net. You're able to get those too. Put that down. And he's also going to do a uni filter upgrade tomorrow. He's gonna do that. And he also wants to do a custom exhaust. Wow, guys, that's clean, clear, and loud. You can't get any better than that. That is insane. And the speakers are pretty. The colors are beautiful. And this thing lights up. It is so cool. This D518, I think that's what it is.
DS18.
Oh, DS18.
It's upside down, but
That's okay. It's still pretty. It's really cool. I love it. Even the back end of it is so cool. Love it.
it's cool, isn't it?
Yes.
Should we give them a test sample from outside the garage?
Yeah?
Because it's so loud. Let's do it.
Okay. They can see how loud it is then.
They can see how loud it is. We'll turn the lights out so they can see the... Turn the lights out. It's so loud.
It is very loud. We're almost by the house. We are by the house. Damn.
I can't believe my Bluetooth is still connected. Wow. That is loud. We're almost out to the street.
Oh, yeah.
And the
Yeah, it's
Bluetooth is
good
cutting out.
Oh, that's insane.
Oh, wow. That is nuts.
That is, listen how clear it is.
It's super clear. Yeah, I will. Wow.
It's beautiful.
It's super loud, super clean. Turn the light on. How far away was that?
I don't even know.
That was
We were
freaking-
almost to our street.
That is freaking insane, dude. And that wasn't even, that was 3/4 volume, not full.
I couldn't even imagine if you had it full.
No, and I have the gains turned down on the amp.
Wow.
And anybody that knows stereo will know what gains are.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. But
Wow.
that's insane.
Wow. Yeah.
It's a sweet system, that's for sure.
For sure.
Well, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. I can't believe how big I've been getting. I always get it mixed up. I know one of them I have like 204 subscribers. My other one I think I have like 150.
I think that's your YouTube.
My YouTube, yeah. And then Facebook.
Which is good.
Yeah. It's not bad.
Remember, we got to get you to 500 mark.
Yep, 500.
Yep, and we'll get there. You'll get there.
Yep.
You're doing good. I know you can't put out videos all the time like me because
No.
you've been working overtime.
Oh yeah, I've been working a lot this week, so you haven't really heard from me. But
Yeah.
other than that,
Yeah.
thanks guys. We'll see you next time.